Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share photos in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to share photos in Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox, guys, on this interface you can see you'll land on the home interface. At the left side of the screen, just below the search bar over here, there is the photos over here. Tap on the photos button, and all of the photos available on the Terabox app will be over here. Now in order to share your photos from Terabox, simply tap and hold on the photo which you want to share, and after tapping and holding, guys, there will be the tick mark available in the blue at the bottom right corner of the photo which you want to share. And the moment that tick mark appears, guys, at the bottom of the screen, the menu panel appear. Now in order to share a photo over here, you can see the share button at the bottom of the screen just beside the download. Tap on share, and you can see, guys, you can share the photos from Terabox to different social media platforms available on your phone. You can see there is the Telegram messenger available on my phone. Either you can use the Telegram messengers like social media platform, or you can just copy the link of that photo and send it. So guys, I opened the Telegram for a demo purpose. In order to share that photo, I'll be just tapping on my demo account on Telegram and sending it by tapping at the airplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And you can see, guys, the photo has been sent as the Terabox link over here. If I again tap on that link, guys, the photo will be downloaded on my Terabox, or I'll be able to view it. You can see, guys, this is how it will open. And let's cancel this. And with that being said, let's go back. And another way, guys, you can share, you just tap and hold on it, and the moment menu appears at the bottom of the screen, tap on the share button, and you can see the copy link button available for us. Tap on the copy link and paste this link to the person's chat box or any type of media through which you want to send them. So for example, I'll be just pasting it on the notes. So let's create a new note over here. Let's create a new note over here, and let's paste it, guys. And you can see, guys, the share link of the photo from Terabox app is over here, guys. And if you send this link to anyone, and if they open that link by tapping on it, they will be again able to download it or view it on their device. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to share photos on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.